The first Hong Kong artist to donate $1 million to help Hualien rebuild. A 7.2 magnitude earthquake hit Hualien, Taiwan. Many buildings collapsed, killing at least 10 people and injuring more than 1,000 people. Singer Tyson Yoshi was working in Taiwan when the earthquake occurred. He announced on social media through his management company, "I will donate 1 million new Taiwan dollars to assist in disaster relief. I hope everyone will work together to rebuild Hualien." He added, "This is the third time I have encountered an earthquake. The first time I encountered such a big earthquake, I felt it was so serious, and I immediately wanted to help. I am very grateful for the support of Taiwanese fans, and I really like Hualien. In fact, Taiwan is the place that has made everything possible in my music, so I want to help the earthquake victims."